Hey, it's Ben Feynman with your August 2024 Oahu real estate market update. Now, the big news in the headlines was the stock market crash this past Monday due to a lot of global uncertainty and recession fears. And that's putting a lot of pressure on the feds to lower the interest rates. And the interest rates actually have come down quite a bit, actually a full percentage point from last May. So right now, we're looking at about 6% for a 30-year fixed mortgage. And that's going to continue to come down with the feds being more worried about a recession coming. Another thing to consider is that this is an election year and real estate tends to decline in the months leading up to the election. This has to do with a lot of uncertainty and consumer confidence. When you're buying a home, it's very scary, and it's even scarier to do that before an election takes place. And so only 2 out of the last 40 elections have experienced increasing real estate activity in the months before the election from June to October. And so we can expect the coming months to have a bit of a decline for real estate activity. So what does that mean? For buyers, it's a great opportunity because you have decreasing interest rates and a lot of uncertainty in the market and a lot of people not willing to pull the trigger. So you have a lot less competition and you're able to get a really good deal right now. For sellers, you might want to wait a little bit. You might want to hang on to your property until maybe next year after the election takes place and there's a little bit more certainty in the market, and by then interest rates should have come down quite a bit, making buyers be able to afford a much higher price. So let's dive into some of last month's numbers for July. Single family homes for closed sales up 20% but down 8% for condominiums. Why is this? Again, we're dealing with insurance issues with buildings not having full replacement coverage. And there's a big battle going on between the AOAOs and individual insurance policies. And so most people aren't able to get a loan in order to qualify to purchase some of these condos. So we're going to see how all that shakes out. But for now, it's making the condo market very, very slow. Median sales price, $1.14 million for single family homes. That's up 4.6%. And $509,000 for condos. That's up 1.8%. So single family homes are starting to pump up a little bit more. Median days on market is 15 days for single family homes. That's down 6.3%. And it's actually up to 30 days now for condominiums. That's up 87.5%. So we can see this insurance battle having a really big effect on condominiums, making them stay on the market for a lot longer and not as many closed sales in that department. So we'll see how all that shakes out. But thank you for tuning in to my August 2024 Oahu real estate market update. If you have any specific questions about your particular real estate goals, please reach out. I'd be happy to have a conversation with you. Thanks for tuning in and have a great rest of your month, and I'll see you next time in September. Aloha.